When we discuss about the cities of Rajasthan, the names that come to our mind are Jaipur, Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, Udaipur. But very few people know that the third largest city of Rajasthan is Kota. Being the largest educational hub of India, this is also famous as Kota Factory. Around 2 lakh students from different corners of this motherland come to get training for medical and engineering entrance through NEET or IIT exams. Most of the famous coaching institutions are situated in this city. Kota is included in 98 Smart Cities mission and hence construction works are in full swing.
Kota is also famous for the river Chambal. The famous dacoits of Chambal used to live in this place. Their heirs are still surviving but engaged in some other professions. Few of the famous dacoits are still in government's custody.
Today we have arrived at Kota from Delhi. It is about 520 kilometers from Delhi towards southern side of Rajasthan. By road it takes about 10 hours and by rail it is around 4 to 5 hours from Delhi. There are several trains from Delhi and most of the Delhi Mumbai trains stop here. It is about 240 kilometers from the state capital Jaipur. If you come from Jaipur, you can avail both the rail and road services. It is approximately 4 to 5 hours journey from Jaipur.
We have booked Sukhdam Koti for spending 2 nights in Kota. Now let us introduce the Sukhdam Koti to all of you. It is at the heart of the city and just a few kilometers from the railway station. Sukhdam was built as a residence of the British agency surgeon in the year 1870. It continued to house a series of British doctors till 1922 when it was handed over to the Kota state. It was then renamed as Sukhdam by His Highness Umed Singh Ji, Maharao of Kota. The present owners, Jayavardhan and Harshavardhan, converted the Koti as Heritage Hotel in the year 1996. Since then, this heritage building is open for all and anyone can book rooms through various online websites or directly connecting the hotel.
The 150 years old heritage building, constructed by the British, is well maintained and renovated to provide you most of the up to date facilities. There are deluxe and super deluxe rooms with all the modern amenities. The building is an excellent blend of British and Indian architecture. The open terrace, cool arcade, the carved stonework surrounded lush green natures will definitely give you a royal feeling. There is a lily pond and a swimming pool constructed in later days to entertain the guests. The poolside restaurant and bar is also very beautiful. You can relax with a glass of beer or any soft or hard drinks of your choice after the whole day visit to monuments or gardens. This hotel is situated at heart of the Kota city, not far from the railway station. We just had our dinner. They have a good variety of foods available here, a multi-cuisine kind of restaurant, plus a bar. In our meal, we had roti with paneer, lasoni paneer, and lal mas. It was great, but for two people, it was little bit on heavier side, I would say. And as these dishes are spicy, so you will have to think about like your taste there as well. Now we have completed our dinner and we have come to our room. A very beautiful room, huge room I will say, with like huge head space available. Normally, whatever we have in our room, this is almost double in size. And along with the room, inside there is a huge bathroom. Normally, you will not get this kind of washroom in a hotel, in a modern hotel. But since this is a koti converted to a hotel, this is something which is like which will give you a royal experience, I will definitely say.
There is also a mesmerizing viewing spot named as Gardia Mahadeva. Gardia Mahadeva is the horseshoe bend of River Chambal, a world class natural beauty spot close and easily reachable from Delhi. You can even plan your visit in weekend holidays and enjoy staying at a heritage British Kothi converted into heritage hotel. You can watch a separate video of Gardia Mahadeva in our Miles to Goat channel.
We have visited several circuit houses, heritage hotels, fort houses, zamindar kothis, but this place is one of the best places we have ever visited.
Starting from the extraordinarily high soffit of the rooms to huge attached washrooms, early morning wake up call by peacocks,
Open terrace breakfast on sunny winter morning, evening walk in bare feet on the lush green courtyard, royal Rajasthani dinner at poolside restaurant will definitely give you real pleasure and charming feeling in a royal touch, away from the monotonous city life.
especially the height of the room. It is really unbelievable. If you see the total height of the room, it is almost, let me show you, like this. It is almost 20 feet. Can you believe? In our room, in general, height of the room comes around 10 to 12 feet, something like that. So it is almost double. As she told, it is really unbelievable, and you will get the royal feelings. It is just like a palace converted into hotel.
फिर आपके नसीब में ये बात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो, लग जा गले